This is literally going to be the simplest and easiest chocolate souffle guide you have ever seen. So without further ado, let's get started. Brush the bottom and sides right up to the rim of two 5-ounce ramekins lightly with 1 teaspoon of melted butter. Add 1 tablespoon of white sugar to each ramekin. Rotate until the sugar coats all of the surfaces. Then pour out all the extra sugar. Now over medium heat, add 3 cups of hot water to a small pot. We are going to use the double boiler method to melt our chocolate. Place a bowl over your below simmering water and add 2 ounces of chocolate. Lightly mix together until melted. If you enjoy complicated and fancy recipes simplified to make at home, then now would be a great time to subscribe so you don't miss all future recipes. Meanwhile, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a skillet or a pot over medium heat. We are now going to make a roux, which is equal parts butter to equal parts flour. So once melted, add 1 tablespoon of flour and mix together until thick. Then add 4.5 tablespoons of cold milk and mix together. Once fully combined, mix together with your melted chocolate in a mixing bowl. Add to the chocolate mixture a pinch of salt. Now for our eggs, we are going to use 1 egg yolk and 2 egg whites. So crack 2 large eggs, separating the yolks and the whites. Add 1 yolk to the chocolate mixture and mix together. To your egg whites, add a pinch of cream of tartar, then mix together in a mixing bowl until the egg whites start to thicken. A drizzle from the whisk should stay on the surface for 1 second before disappearing into the mix. Whisk in 1/3 tablespoon of sugar for 15 seconds. Repeat 2 more times to whisk in the remaining sugar. Continue to whisk until the mixture holds soft peaks and has a consistency of shaving cream. 3 to 5 minutes. Don't forget to leave a like on this video if you like chocolate and delicious recipes like this. Transfer a little less than half of your egg white mixture to the chocolate mixture. Mix until thoroughly incorporated, about 1 to 2 minutes. Gently fold in the remaining egg white mixture with a spatula until no egg whites remain. Divide the chocolate mixture evenly between the 2 prepared ramekins. Now bake for 12 to 15 minutes at 375 degrees until the soufflés are puffed and have risen above the top of the rims. Now dust the top with confectionery sugar and dig in. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then you will probably enjoy the video that just popped up on the left of your screen. Enjoy!